Okay.
So if you have better quality of your table, even not the best, but still you want to protect, so we always recommend to use tablecloths. If not, at least table throw and some mats below your plates and glasses even. So if I have this tablecloth here, I can use tablecloth this way, so it connects two people who sit in front of each other, or this way. If we have this way along the table, again, like in previous one, we can have all the food and main plates in the center, so it's like separate area. And even if something drips, it protects because it's like double layer in that area. Here at IKEA and in general, we have different shapes. Again, I'm trying to two-layer plates because it's easier even sometimes if you are hosting a party. It's easier to have everything in one place. You just remove everything. You don't need to put for every single dish. So as it's like more brown, beige atmosphere with gold accents, I think it works very well. So you can have napkin, for example, even folded napkin when you put things inside. Or you can have other compositions when you put your cutlery. We have glasses. So you can have composition like that, even like DIYs like these ones. Might look very beautiful. So you can do the same with paper napkins or fabric ones. You can do the same with the tablecloth. If you cut that for accessories around the chair, you can use the rest for these things and use artificial or real flowers. Okay, so we have this set up. It can be different directions. It can be really different designs and layouts. Okay, so when we have round table, as this one is not round, but I'm showing, for example, it's very good to have something that you can move around as you're sitting around, especially if you have a flower in the center, probably a lower one. As I mentioned in the beginning, if you have lights that are coming very low, it's better not to have vases and flowers higher than 25 centimeters. So let's say it's something shorter. You can have all the dips, food around, and you can just rotate. So it's very easy to access everything. Yeah. So accents, right? We have golden accents. Look into candle holders, coasters, cutlery, even vases. We have as well. These ones, we have many accessories in gold colors. If you want, of course, it can be silver one. So all the small accents in silver looks like everything is in harmony and well matched. Try not to have something in too many different colors. So probably if it's your home, you can think about the interior you have, so to match a bit. If it's like very warm color of your walls, but you have something in cold colors, this is warm, but you have like navy blue, I would say it's like cold blue, so it might not work very well. Yeah, do you have any questions or tips that I could share?